During the scorching summer months, our skin often becomes dull and lifeless due to prolonged exposure to harsh sunlight, excessive sweating, and increased oil production. The intense UV rays can cause sunburn, tanning, and dehydration, stripping the skin of its natural moisture and leaving it dry and flaky. Additionally, the accumulation of sweat and dirt clogs pores, leading to breakouts and a lackluster complexion. Despite using various beauty products, the skin may not respond well because of the persistent external stressors and the possible buildup of residues from sunscreens and heavy creams. These factors, combined with the body's natural response to heat, can make it challenging to maintain a radiant, healthy glow during the summer. Let's try a natural remedy for all these problems. Let's start by adding 1 tablespoon of honey into our mixing bowl. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps keep your skin moist, but not oily. It's also packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties that are great for your skin. Then add 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead skin cells and brightening your complexion. Now, let's add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce dark spots and gives your skin a natural glow. Finally, we'll add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, which brightens the skin and evens out your skin tone. Mix all these ingredients together until you get a smooth, consistent paste. Once your mask is ready, apply it evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all the goodness to soak into your skin. After 20 minutes, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. You'll instantly notice how soft and bright your skin feels. And there you have it. A simple, effective recipe for bright, glowing skin. Try this mask once or twice a week, and you'll see amazing results in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.